Hello, we're here at the Old South Ferry Station where we're going to be doing a ride on the LoVs. It's been 120 years since the first subway line opened, so happy Subway Day, everyone. It's October 27th, 2024. Here's the LoV. Here's a first peep at the LoV, which will be our train for today. It's a little peek at it. It's just such a pretty station. It's underrated, highly underrated. Gotta love the little moving platforms here. 145th Street, Lennox Avenue to South Ferry. Don't get on.
Where are we going?
I wanted to go around the station real quick.
Okay, well, just tell me which cars. Can we get on?
Yeah, where do you want to go? I don't care. I really...
Where are we going?
Is it, do you want to do the best? Yeah, let's do front for now. Yeah, this should be the front. Yeah. It's just a really pretty station. Train.
Wow. You know, it's amazing how...
There you go, we got the MTS. And the, that's right, that's what it was, the brand, right? MTS?
MCH.
MCH. I always
MCH.
forget.
Oh yeah, I have. These trains are actually over 100 years old, and yet they're still functional. They're not giving out. Let's see, what does the Transit Museum ad say?
It is. Absolutely. I get so excited.
Oh.
No. So we are kind of, sort of like recreating what would have happened on the first day.
Okay, we're back. What do you know? Weird old ad highlight. B.T. Babbitt's train. 1776 soap powder. Okay.
Constructed in the 1900s, but it closed in 2008. But after Hurricane Sandy, it was briefly reopened, and it closed again in 2017. The reason that it was out of commission is because of the way how the platform was designed. It was a bit of an issue because the cars became more slimmer.
All right, Rector Street on the 1 line. That's right. So today's routing, we'll be going up the 1 line to Chambers Street, then up to 2 and World Trade Center. Oh, you missed it. So sad. Okay. They're just switching our track apparently, and now we are at Chambers Street. this my train? Is this my train? No, it's not. This train will not stop here. Okay. Add spotlight, Renzo. Add spotlight, life buoy, Nelson. Oh, by the way, the Transit Museum employee gave me a really cool fact about this car.
What is that? This particular car?
Yeah,
I don't know how many times I can say this, so I'll try to say it once and maybe you guys can tell everybody else. You're in a very special car.
There it is.
This car, 5290, went in service on October 27th, 1919. This car went in service for the first time 105 years ago today. Just this car, so this is the special one right now. Don't tell anybody else.
Apparently we're in a car that's
Yep, 105 years in service. 96th Street, folks. This one is the 8th original station that we're visiting. Now we're going to get off the list of original stations for a while as we head into the Bronx. Is this my train? Is this my train? Is this my train? There's the old platform that's now shut down. See you guys now. There's an R62-3 train heading uptown. Or downtown, sorry. This is 116th Street. Heads tomato ketchup. Excuse me, sorry. There's an R142-2 train heading down to Flatbush Avenue across on the other platform. All right, last stop in Manhattan. Street, Grand Concourse.
Yeah. Man, are we going all the way to 180?
Yeah, 180.
Okay.
Here we go. There's a Manhattan-bound something train. Oh, that's a 5 train. Okay. We're about to be heading on to the express.
This is a high V. Actually, just kidding. It's still a low V, but we're above ground. Yay. Elevated.
Yeah. Elevated's for the win, folks.
Way to go.
Oh, by the way, in case you guys haven't noticed, I'm featuring Supertoe in this video. Hooray, hooray. Hey, Supertoe, say hi. Say hi.
Hi. Yeah, you can use it again.
know about my channel because Supertoast said stuff about it on his channel. Huh. Wait, why aren't we going on the express track? Yeah, shenanigans. That seems reasonable.
I assume it's because of the transition we need to make when we get to 180. I hate it when the MJ microphones are bad.
Intervale Avenue. Like, Simpson
Street.
Street.
People to know where they're going and how to get where they're going.
I mean, I semi-care about the announcement to make, like, them sounding good. Like, I'm passionately, like, keep the announcements with one voice. Don't,
That would be,
like,
yeah.
what they have on Lexington is really stupid. Like, where they have Diane Thompson be like, the next stop is for no reason. And
That's a big inconvenience.
West Farm Square, East Tremont Avenue. Making stupid announcement programs is fun. I think I'm gonna make one for like the Brasmere Bound Staten Island Railway train next.
Yeah, just like where
Whatever.
Alright. Through 180.
Yep, passing 180th Street. Where will we go now? Let's hope it's the yard. It would be cool to see some spare random spare R142s sitting around. I mean, we're already seeing them too.
Alright, we're at the 180th Street yard in the Bronx. We're probably about to turn around here soon.
Hopefully. We hope. The Railfan Foundation of people who love the New York Transit Museum says we hope. Here's some trains back there. Can you guys see it? Oh no, you can't. Okay. There's the tracks to Dyre. Ah, there we go.
I was gonna say, sure, what you for just in case. I'm not. I'm so done. Like,
Yeah, it's no Coney Island yard, but it's nice.
Oh, Super Tow? Could you do me a favor and when you get back, DM me the Almenhaden Stations route?
When I get back to what?
When you get back to places where you can do this stuff, can you please DM me the Almenhaden Stations route?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Thank you. Oh, we're going up the Dyre line. Yeah, this is the Dyre line.
Train Better 101 says we're going up the Dyre Avenue line.
Yeah, because there's Bronx Park East over there.
Yep.
Bronx Park East is over there. That station also actually opened in 1904.
Let me ask you something. Didn't we go there that way the last time, or am I just seeing things?
Last time what? When?
Remember we went to that rail yard and past
Oh yeah.
there? We went that way, weren't
On
we?
the R33 ride? Yeah, that was that way.
Alright, so we are going a different way.
So there's Bronx Park East. Oh wait, by the way, can I have a shot of your model for my
Of
channel?
course, come on, you know me. I give
Alright,
permission
cool.
all the time.
This guy has a model.
MTH model.
Yeah, MTH O-scale model.
Full scale.
Of
What's the scale anymore?
Yeah, it's O scale.
yeah.
Full scale.
Most of the MTH models are mostly O scale.
I have a couple HOs. I have a couple HO ones.
The New York City Subway ones are always the old
Nah,
ones.
there's
There's a few that's
Yeah, I have.
scale, it's rare,
Yeah.
and there's some that's HO.
No,
that's
yeah,
rare.
there's some HO. I
You got
have.
shots? Just I wanted to ask, make sure. Oh, there you go.
Here we
One of the
go.
guys said it was it's
Front
a
of the
trailer
LoV,
car. It's not a
front of
heading
the-
car. So it's like a trailer car.
Oh yeah, they're only
He was
trail.
telling me because you said the headings are not here, even though I thought this is the heading.
Do you have a front car that?
No, that's how they came out with the 2-car sets.
Oh.
If you had a 4-car set, yeah, that would be different.
Oh
But
yeah,
they're more expensive.
I have a couple 4
I
cars.
think we're heading to
Dyre.
Bingo. I haven't been to Dyre before in my life. I've never been to Dyre.
I came here once. I came here once when the 2 train was running up to Dyre to check.
No, when I grew up as a kid, the 5 often went to Dyre. We went to Parkchester and Dyre Avenue. The 2 would go to Wakefield.
The 5 went to Parkchester? Are you sure?
No. I think it was Wakefield for the 2, Parkchester and Dyre. I'm sorry, Eastchester. I have the 2 confused.
Eastchester.
I'm sorry, I got the 2 mixed up.
Eastchester.
It was Eastchester.
Yeah, Eastchester and Dyre are
Dyre.
the same thing.
That was in the 90s for me.
Those are
That
the
was-
same thing. Eastchester and Dyre are the same thing. The station's called Eastchester Dyre Avenue officially.
Yeah, but let me say something. Have you ever been to Wakefield?
Wakefield once.
Let me say something. It's eerie for me because that's the border of the city.
I know.
On the other side is Westchester County, and you see the signages are all different.
Yeah.
One time I worked up there driving a truck, and I was on a route where I was going between the two cities, between Westchester and the Bronx.
Yeah.
So every time I would cross one side, I'm like getting lost, trying like, where am I turning? Am I turning right here? Am I to the left? I was going like this.
Oh, God.
No, because I was on a piece of snow equipment. So my job was to cover both areas on one route.
Oh.
So it's so confusing. This was before GPS.
Yeah.
So you had to look at it in a piece of paper and then find where everything is that you're driving. So
Yep.
I was like getting so lost. I found a freaking cop, Westchester County cop car. I said, hey, how can I get back to so and so? They had to give me directions, and I'm looking at him like, are you sure this is the right way? And he said, you'll see it. It took me like 3.5 hours to go between the route that they had to give me. And I was like, I will never do this route again.
Yeah.
Because it's so eerie, because you're not used to the city compared to everywhere else.
No AC, so we better use some fans. I'm just gonna go around.
See you later.
Yeah.
If she ever wanted my advice, I'd give it to her, but other than that,
Just go back to that car, you have to stay there.
Okay. No, I'm not going back.
I think maybe that is cool if someone else is confused about it. I think unfortunately.
All right, we're heading back down.
Anyway.
We're passing the Union Courtyard.
Yes, NYC Spawn. You did really well, and you were fun, obviously, and we got a lot of really good coverage.
All right, we're passing back through 174th Street.
Oh, it'll be all
I'm
right.
gonna not film for a while. Oh no, this is West Farm Square. My bad.
Wait, what did they say?
Are you my train? Are you my train? What is that? Are you my train? Welcome to 3rd Avenue, 139th Street, 49th Street, where we're sitting around waiting for the train in front of us to get a sick passenger off the train. All right, and we're back moving. I'm just sick of being treated like it just sucks. Like, people treat you like you're like the less of a human being who doesn't know anything. No, like that. It's really stupid. And heck, I literally corrected the head of the train ticket one time. I literally told the head of the train ticket.
I know.
Like,
She said
we talked about how the R211S is bugged.
they're what?
Work train. look at that. MTA employees at
Oh my God, the
Well, that was cool. Street. Are you my train? Are you my train? What are you? Are you my train? What are you? Are you my train?
59th Street construction
to Old City Hall. The crown jewel of the original IRT. It was closed in 1945 due to its curve being way too sharp.
A different tour,
Getting out
right?
of the regular, yeah, different tour. We're getting out of the regular Brooklyn Bridge to City Hall.
Are you taping?
Sorry, I got distracted. Anyway, what were you saying? City Hall. Alright, and back into the tunnel for the final stretch of tunnel. Thank you once again to the New York Transit Museum for organizing this incredible event.
Yes, sir.
Thanks to GoGo Supertoe for allowing me to feature him and for featuring me. Go check out his video of this. It'll be out at some point. I'm sure it's great. So much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. and turn on all notifications if you want to know when a video releases. Oh, and happy Subway Day. Bye. I'll be back when they pull out the train. Anyways, though, we were in a mix of 5292 and 5290. Doors have closed, so this train's departing. The train is departing for real this time.